My name is Channa Singh. I should have initially said that I head value-added services at Etisalat. We are partnering with Zenid, who is the platform developer for this application development project. We launched this platform about 3 weeks ago, if I'm not mistaken, at a conference. And you are the second audience that we are coming and presenting this application platform to. So what will happen? I mean, we will take you through the entire platform in terms of how easy it is to develop an application, experiences of certain people who have already developed applications for this platform, so on and so forth. So by the end of the forum, you will have a very good knowledge of what can be done and how it should be done to host an application on the platform. Going beyond it, you will also, you would hear from my CEO, Mr. Duminder Rathanayaka, and the Zenid CEO, Mr. Saparamadu, in a little while, in terms of the earning capacity that you will have when you develop an application. Because right now, you don't need to go to a company. All you need to do is, with this platform, all you need to do is, you need to develop an application, and all you need to do is host it. We will do the marketing of the platform. So appzone.lk will be marketed by us, will be marketed by Etisalat. But it will be up to the individual developer to market their own applications. Obviously, marketing and developing of the application will have to happen together for you to earn.